Start. The Learned Council would submit that the amendment in question is not based on economic condition which is multi-dimensional but on financial incapacity which is transient in nature, rewarding poor financial behaviors and is therefore not a reliable criterion for giving reservation. Stop. There are two wings of reservation, social and educational backwardness, which cover the people who are economically weaker but not those who are financially incapable. Stop. Economic weakness goes hand in hand with social and educational backwardness. Stop. EWS is individual centric in contrast to Article 38, Subarticle 2 of the Constitution, which talks about intergroup inequalities. Stop. Thus, the Learned Council has submitted that the 103rd Amendment deserves to be set aside, being violative of the principle of equality, which is the basic structure of the Constitution. Stop. The Learned Senior Council elucidating on the twin objectives of Equality Code enshrined under Articles 14 to 17 of the Constitution as to the formal equality and substantive equality has submitted that these provisions are to ensure that those sections of society who have been kept out of any meaningful opportunity participation in public life and decision making on the grounds enumerated under Article 15 Subarticle 1 be uplifted through positive discrimination, giving flesh and blood to the Equality Code and essential enabling the substantive equality. Stop. Emphasizing on the efficiency in services as under Article 335, she would submit that the positive discrimination has to be read along with other guardrails provided by the Constitution, ensuring identification of the protected group by constitutional sanctioned bodies. Stop. The absence of these guardrails and safeguards in the newly created class of EWS through the amendment in question strikes at the core of the Equality Code, violating the basic structure of Constitution. Stop. Para. Stressing further on the argument of social and educational backwardness and inadequacy in representation being the bedrock for grant of reservations, the Learned Council has submitted that the communities whom the amendment in question aims to protect are duly represented in all walks of life and hence even from the angle of adequacy in representation they are not eligible to avail benefit of reservation under Articles 15 and 16. Stop. She has placed reliance on decisions of this court to submit that it is a social and educational backwardness and not social or educational backwardness that is to be considered by the legislature to grant the benefit of reservation.